Hello guys, Hussam here. One of the common problems is losing WooCommerce pages. In this video, you will learn how to restore WooCommerce pages easily. From WordPress dashboard, I am going to click on all pages to be sure that all WooCommerce pages are deleted. As you can see, no pages here. To fix this problem, we will going to WooCommerce, then States, and I'm going to click on Tools. Now I'm going to search for Create Default WooCommerce Pages. Now I will fix the problem and click on Create Pages. Then I will click OK. After that, I will be back to Pages section and be sure that the WooCommerce pages are restored. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.